Hello, welcome. Welcome. Welcome, people. Welcome all. We still missing a Robbie. He's still not feeling well. And just trying to work out what what to put in there into Robbie's face. What should I put there? What can we put there? We'll work something out. We'll work something out. We'll work something out. You know, all right. Let's get to work. We've got just a little bit over 10 minutes left for the London Open. So let's have a good look at what's been happening so far in the market. The Nasdaq. Let's see. This is the daily chart. Looking at Nasdaq, we almost did you know that? We almost took that little liquidity level out. My little special 15-minute liquidity grab. Almost got there and started to shoot back down on that level. Started coming down. That's interesting. Oh, Apex. Why did Apex disconnect? Back on. Could potentially, I'm gonna put a little, yeah, I like to do these little levels, maybe there, call it target, possible target, bang on there, and if on the up, we could probably get to that level, I think. Um, 4-hour chart, we've got a supply zone up there, demand zone down here, and a few others further down on the 4-hour chart. That's mitigated half of that candle. Could potentially put one up here. Got the PDF high there. Sometimes when I've got other point of interest marked on the map, I might not put, just it depends too, I might not put a supply zone or a demand zone. I might not mark it on my chart. I've already got something there to tell me that there's going to be some sort of reaction. Back down to the 1-hour chart. moving down nicely from the open. Get a little retrace further down. We still have to, where is that gap from? Yeah, there it is. We still have to close this gap here. So, ooh, we could potentially see doing that today. You never know. We could bounce off this too. But we'll be careful at the 790 mark. Let's put a little. Let's just do. Give me a heads up. Give me a heads up. Could potentially bounce off that. Okay, 5 minute zone. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to test the silver bullet, I mean the platinum bullet. So we might mark the high and low, an external high and low. Well, the external high is up there, I would think. See, this is the thing now. I would think this, I'll change this to, I should have saved that silver bullet thing. We'll mark this silverish, I guess. Right, call it the bullet low, silver bullet low. Silver bullet low. How does that look? Yeah. Hey Rob, more like how are you going? Trying to work out what to put in here, your little head. I was thinking, should we put maybe what's your favorite character, your favorite superhero image there when you're away? What do you think? Um, I don't like this fire. Let's mark that anyway. You want representation of you to be a dildo candle? Is that what you're asking me to do? I should save. No, I should save these as templates. Yeah, I don't have a photo of the dildo candle behind me. All right, I can find the real dildo for you. We've only got about 3 minutes left. Any news today? No. 5:30. I don't know if this is going to move the market. This might. 9 p.m. Bank holiday today or tonight for us Aussies down here. We'll be back on at New York Open, but I'm going to be very reluctant to put trades on. Even though it's only market is still up until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But yeah, I think it's going to be a bit. I don't like trading half days. But we'll be on. We'll see how it moves. So we'll see if there's liquidity there. If it's not going to move well, then we'll still be on and try and have some fun with it, I guess. Um, Fix up my screens here. All over the shop. Um, Oh, hello. Fuck you and fuck me. Why did you pick that name? How are you today? Nice to see you back. We've got about 20 seconds left before the London Open. I'll be there's two things I'll be looking at the Open, and that is the opening range barometer, breakout, buster. What else? What was the other B I had? Like movie thought was funny. It is funny. You know that movie Goldmember? My nephews and nieces, when that movie came out, were really young. We must have seen that movie at least 20 times. I love that movie so much. So I know a lot of lines from that movie. One of my favorite movies. Mm, yeah. What a shame they didn't do a fourth Austin Powers. Well, we have opened the London market. We're about to see what we do on this VWAP here. Um, fuck you. Robbie's still sick to join us. So I'm just trying to work out what to fill that little square with. Put an image there. something that reflects that we can symbolise with Robbie. Now, I know you don't know Rob. Maybe you could put an Austin Powers character in there. Robbie's co-partner of this channel. Robbie's, so do we characterise him? Hardworking, no nonsense type of person, straight to the point, hard nut. Who does he remind me of? Who do you think who are you more reflective of in Austin Powers Gold member? Maybe he should be gold member. But he doesn't like gold. I like trading gold. But he doesn't. Mm, I know we'll do. Mini me. I like it. Let's have a look at mini me. No, I don't know if that's that quite sort of me. Just trying to see. Maybe he's Michael Caine. He's older than me. So he's the old wise one. There's you. Fuck me and fuck you. uh, that one. It's got to be that. All right. Let's see how we go. Let's see how we go. All right. Oh God. I'll have to do some work on this while NQ's not doing much. Where did I put this? Where did I save that image, man? I have no idea. Oh man, I lost the image. Goes- it's HTML. I don't want that. I'll have to take a screenshot of that. All right. That's you when you're away, Rob. Faja. You are the Faja. The Faja. That's who you are. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can fix this. How does that look so far? All right. I'm gonna make this neat. That'll do. There's Rob. No, not Tom Cruise. He's Tom Cruise too clean cut for Rob. um, how does that look? All right. Okay, we back on queue, back at charting. If you think of anyone else, let me know. Any other characters that I might use? I like Mini Me too, though. Actually, I could have it rotating. You like Mini Me better? All right. Well, still waiting on what are we? We're 10 minutes in. I can quickly grab Mini Me. It's almost like I got to get Mini Me like in that grey suit. Uh, it looks sort of older than. Uh, we go one at a time. That one. uh, that one. No, the first one with the white. Or this. That one is. It's almost like he's happy. We don't want Rob being happy. This one or the previous one with he was wearing the white suit. Maybe this one with that facial expression. Oh, chopped his head off. All right, we'll do this one. Trying to get it like a more square shape. All right. It's not a square. It doesn't matter as long as doesn't there'll be you can always hide. That's all right. How does that look? I like this one better actually. um, oh, you want the knife? Oh, you want the whole thing? No, that would be too big. Trying to find. I should just. All right, we'll leave it at that. Yeah, I was thinking of number two, but you're not number two. You're number one. Oh, here we go. Here's some photos. How's that mini me, man? I could use that one. Nah, we'll just leave it where it's at. We'll leave it. We'll leave it what we got. Yeah, that makes sense. Mm. You're still number one, mate. Anyway, back to our work. Back to work. Back to work. What are we? We've definitely got the opening range set. There's our top and bottom of the range. Very small range. What is it? 70. Why is it? Oh, it's over here. What is it? Bloody 30. Like 25 points. That's tiny. Uh, so looking at the initial balance boxes, that's the New York. Got through, bounced back, eventually came back down, broke through it. Read the high line of the Asian market. We could come back up and come back towards the daily open. Good. No, not yet. I literally just got on about, well, 15, well, about 20 minutes ago. So no trades yet. Not as yet. It's not moving much, so I wonder if being a public holiday in the US might affect the London session as well. You could also say that's a external. What do we mean? What the? What am I doing? Put a tentative silver bullet low there for all our ICT fans. Okay, so all right, I've got two accounts that have been reset. Well, not reset. The withdrawals come out. That's good. I can trade those two again. Have I made much money trading? No, we're sort of beginners, I guess. This is only our third week streaming too. Very new to trading, especially in the futures market. We've been in the futures market. I think uh, I think just under a year actually. Um, but we're getting there. I've just had a fourth payout on two accounts with Apex. They're like my steady accounts that I've had for a while. I'm just trying to build up a couple other accounts to that payout stage and to make it a bit easier. Um, but yeah, we're still learning like everyone else. We're not professional to be, any grand grand minds in trading. We, uh, we we try and hold our own though. We're okay. We've learnt quite a lot. We've been Rob and I've been training. Rob's been training a bit longer than me. Um, okay, yeah. How long have you been training for? Was it you that said you've just started? You've only new to it, like 6 months or something? Which um, which which uh, which prop firm are you using to trade with? I mean, if you're Malaysia, you must be using my funded futures. I think they're from that they're from Asia. I think they're very good. Don't get me wrong. They're one of the top. Yeah, good guess, huh? There's one rule that I don't like. That they don't like scalping a lot, or else I'd have accounts with them as well. They are really good. So that's a really good prop firm that you're trading with. Yeah, very very well. liked, respected in the industry. Uh, yeah. We're just breaking. Oh, let's see if we break below this. We're close below the orb, so have you passed the evaluation stage yet? Have you got to the funded account stage yet? Yeah, write that one off, the fast track one, Rob. Oh, you have already. Yeah, that's why you can't be number two, Rob. Breaking lower now. We could use this for the silver bullet. What aren't we? We're just testing now, so we might just trade uh what's the 50 points. We'll test with the two micros. If it dies, it dies. So with two micros, what we'll need to see is let's push back up here now and then create a fair value gap. The maximum, that's good. Maybe I can learn some things from back here. Well, I hope so. Um, yeah, I hope you can. Um, well, it's not going to hurt. It's the best way to learn, see what how others are trading. Uh, Eventually, you'll find your own little strategy, your own way of trading. Everyone trades differently. Yes, I have. I already have one pupil who's very close to getting payouts. I've been so many times for Q where I've got to the close to the payout stage. I think that first time I got close, I was only like $200 away from getting a good payout, and I blew the account. So you just got to keep going, keep grinding. All right, I'm pushing back up here. pushing back up. We would want the next candle, which will close in about 15 seconds, to push up as well and not close this gap, so that we create a fair value gap that we will use to bounce off and propel ourselves to a target of maybe the previous day low, which is up there, which is about 40 points away. Yeah, been there, done that quite a few times. Yeah, it hurts. It sucks. You'll get there. But just know if you're getting close, that means you're doing something right. So this could be it. We've got about 15 seconds left. This closes further up. Yeah, I know. We all go through that. We get excited when we get close to a payout, and then it hurts more. Okay, now we're pushing back up. I don't know if it's moved too far away. I now have stretched the chart quite a bit. We want to come back to this level and push up. Have a stop loss there. It's only 10 points away. And then yeah, I need to put 2. But it might not come back down. What all lines are we? Oh, okay. So I don't know if you know there's a strategy from there's a strategy called the silver bullet. That's what these lines. That's what the SB stands for. Ooh, coming back down here. Give me a sec, and I might just sort of get ready to put a trade on here. I wanted to see about here. No. Oh, it's a strategy. It's a strategy that some people use on the first hour of the London session. So what they do is they this thing might go a little further up. Hang on a second. Give me 1 second. Oh, actually, it doesn't matter. I'll explain it. So the first hour of London session which started here. What you do is you mark the what they call an external high and low. So that's a good high and a low. And the idea is that you could have also marked this one too, I guess. But it doesn't look right because that's a proper high, I would think anyway. So what that is, I don't know if you know about fair value gaps, but if you break the top or the bottom of a high or a low within the first hour of the London session, like we have here, it will retrace, forming what's called a fair value gap. Yeah. So it's every time every 3 candles, if it leaves a gap, if the wicks haven't closed, so there's a gap there, but they got filled. See how there's a gap here between those 3 candles? The wicks haven't overlapped. So it's coming back down now. Maybe close that gap. And the idea is to put along here and target maybe halfway or that up there. That's the that's what we call the silver bullet. It's not. I don't know you to traders. I'm just sort of. I used to use this a bit, but I'm just testing it. Yeah, so now you could probably put a trade on now for a long, and either target that top there. Usually you target the top. So what I'll do is I'll put a line. It's still coming down. I'm going to risk 15 points. That's all right. I'll target the top there. I'll switch over to my Ninja Trader. I'll just put the trade on. Put it there or there. Anywhere in here. Probably won't be too high. And the stop loss is there. Yeah, so the idea is if it breaks a low here, it's taking a lot of what they call liquidity here. And now it's taken that. I'm going to move back up, look for more liquidity. So further up here or up here. So it's bounced off that fair value gap. Now we're moving up, pushing up. You still need to understand about what liquidity is, where potential stop losses are that retail traders use. Yeah, we could also lose, you're right, we could also lose a trade too. Nothing's 100%. But this is a strategy that people use. I would normally try and average into this, but I don't think we're going to move up. I'm not risking a lot of money either. This is micros, so I've only got 2 micros on this. I win? I hope so. Well, it worked yesterday. I don't know if you remember seeing that or not. Pushing up now. Let's see if we can break this high. It's 1 goal reached. Pushing up. Let's see, try and break this high now would be even better. It's a strategy. If you look, if you just search ICT silver bullet in on YouTube, you'll find the video explaining it how it works. I could still lose this trade. Like I know it's moved up a bit, but I don't know it's going up. Yeah, but that's the strategy. Like Broke the low. You understand when I say low? Broke a low here. There's nothing else for it to go for. There's no other targets anywhere down below. So it's going to go back up. Look for more liquidity, more stop losses. That's the idea behind it. Basically. I haven't had that mapped yet. It's book map telling me. Not a lot. What am I risking? What is it? 16 points, 40, maybe $50, $60, something like that. It's not a lot. We're just testing the strategy again. I used to use this a long time ago. I'm trying to familiarize myself with it again. It's good risk reward though. Yeah, yeah. $60 could potentially win. That's about 40 points away. About $160, about $150. So it's like a 1 to 3 risk reward. Yes, it is. That's $150 on 3 accounts. Um, but if I win, could also lose. Yep, copy trade. Just hovering around my entry now. You make 3 times. Yeah, that's correct. If I make it. We're in the red at the moment. I might lose 3 times 60. Which looks like I'm going to do. Uh, Coming back down. It's all good if you win. Now this is these are the funded accounts, so not challenges. Real. You could say real money accounts, yeah. Yeah, PAs. Yeah. And you can see or not, you can see down here, these are the accounts, PAs. PA, they're all Apex accounts. PA. These, the ones in red are currently in the trade. 1, 2, 3. Don't look at this one now. This is just a sim account. I use this to copy trade. Just the way the copy trader works. It's like the lead account and copies onto these PAs. Yeah. Yeah, you can barely see the total P&L. I don't know if you can see that or not. You see the numbers moving. They're currently in the trade. Yeah. No, not all the time. Uh, it's always different. So it just depends. All in context. It depends what's happening, what I see. This is, one strategy, the silver bullet, which I don't usually trade a lot. I've only done it the last couple of days. Usually risk about $200 to $400 a trade, usually. Pushing further down. Oh yeah, yep. I can go in again now to try and get a better average, get a better entry, which is what I was thinking of doing before. Yeah. Hi Kira, how are you? Thanks for joining us. Pushing further down. Bloody awesome. What do you think of Rob's picture? We'll let this lose 50, $60. The trade was doomed from the start. It's only $60. All right. Yes, very funny. Rob is mini me. No, it's mini me. It's mini me, Rob. BS was going for the 6,000 wick. What week? Hi Bailey, how are you? I don't trade ES. Oh, this one down here. Talk about this week here. You drop balls? No. uh, on this morning. Which morning are you referring to, Bailey? We're in what time zone? Oh yeah, yeah. I can see that here. Oh, hang on. I haven't got my. My screen on. Oh god. You're talking about this one here, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Mitigate most of it. Usually if it mitigates 50, 60, 70% of it, will bounce off that level. There's a big fair value gap underneath it too. It goes a long way back. Yeah, that's the gap from the Monday. That's the CME gap. Back on in Q. See, should be using the opening range. The opening range tool to put the trades on. Thanks for joining, Bailey. Oh, we're just hovering around this level now. Pushing back up now. Let's say to, we've still got another 10 minutes for this silver bullet strategy. I don't think we're gonna. I won't be trading it anyway, but I'll leave that. I'll leave that. I'll leave that there. Oh, I've got my EMAs switched off. That's not good. It's a 1921 EMA. Slowly pushing back down again. We lost a trade. But into the trade. Yes. Yeah. I haven't got. I don't have a ES chart constantly open. I do have. I do constantly check it by clicking over to another tab. Um, but yeah. What's gold doing? Well, gold has. That's a big push up for gold. Look at that. Back to the daily open. I do also trade gold, yeah. NQ and gold. And I also use ES for a bit of confirmation as it moves with NQ. But yeah, just NQ and gold. It's a shame we can't have music in the background. Well, I guess we can, but I got to work out all the. I don't know if any if the copyright issues are with YouTube and music. Maybe I need to hire a musician, an artist, have some of our own music. I don't know. I don't know which one takes the lead. I've seen them both take the lead at different times. Um, Actually, last week, ES took off, and NQ did not follow one day, which I hadn't seen in a long time. So, but they vary different times. I think ES usually takes the lead. I think it's the stronger. There's more volume on ES. I mean, and there's more volume because obviously it's 6,000 and NQ is 21,000 as far as contracts is concerned. Um, you're seeing more orders, more volume orders. Which what do I like best? NQ. NQ because it moves faster and because I'm a degenerate. NQ's for degenerates. And you let's be low, walk away. An order for long or short, baby? Long, I'm assuming. The SB low is the silver bullet low. It's something that, I don't know if you're aware of this, yeah, long hair. Um, where, yeah, where, which city are you in, Bailey? I'm in Melbourne. Brisbane, nice. I've got relatives up in Brisbane. You just trade AS, Bailey, or in Q as well? Pushing further down, maybe 21.8. Might break the 800s here. Looks like we could potentially break it. Just, yeah. Rob, who trades with us on this channel, he only trades ES. So when Rob is feeling a bit better, yeah. Oh, thank you, Fuku. Fuku. I can't say that name. Anyway, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it a lot. Yeah, Rob, and I are part of Tradeaholiks, and Rob just trades ES. So when Rob's feeling a bit better and back online, we usually have both charts open at the same time when we're streaming. So we'll have ES and NQ. Okay, we broke that low. Let's see, ES, did it break that low on ES? It has. Pushing further. I reckon we're going to push further down, baby. Be careful. Might grab that liquidity. So this is where the gap is. So we might sort of close that today by the looks of it. If we go to the 1 hour chart, there's it's filled a lot of that gap. The CME gap sort of starts there at the 725 mark. We'll see a little retracement back up here before we go further down. I think we're going to go further down. 725, no. That's what I said, didn't I? Let's see, me gap is there. We'll, hovering around this silver bullet low. I don't know if I'm going to. You know what? We'll have another go at the silver bullet. What do you think? What do you think, Fukumi? Go for another long? I don't like it though. Yeah, I think we might. Yeah, why not? I may look for a retrace and then I might go short again. Might go not again. Might go short, but that's a significant low to take. Uh, no, not necessarily from last trade. Yeah, need that. Need my money back, man. Pushing back up here. Let's see if we create a. Let's see if we can create a fair value gap here. To use as a springboard to move back up here. Big push up now. Oh, it's not big. I've just made everything big on the screen, I guess. Mm, 6 o'clock. We've completed the hour, which what does it look like? ES YouTube, buddy. They're in at 598. Oh, big push up here. Good trade if you got that off Bailey. Mm-hmm. 10, 20 points. I might have been out already if I was trading normal. What's okay? So bookmap. Orders down below on ES and orders up above on EQ. London Open. Yeah. But the oh yeah. Pushing further up now. Well, definitely missed this move. You know what's up. I think ES moves a bit smoother than NQ. Uh, that's why Rob prefers it. NQ is a bit erratic at times. Is that right, babe? Yeah, he's a bit smoother. But I've seen ES move a bit erratic. But mainly smoother. Mm. Pushing back to the orb, the opening range low here at 845. Yes, big secret. Big push up. 2 minutes, no, definitely no silver bullet there, that's for sure. Bounce off that to the 830 mark. We get a little retracement, move further back up. I'll ring now, right on that 21 EMA. Haven't crossed over yet from the downtrend. Pushing back down. I don't know the Malaysian support and resistance strategy. Over that FEG. Pushing back down now. I can get rid of this. Broken that low. Pushing back up now. Bit messy at the moment. Best thing would have been to take a long, as Bailey said, for breaking that low. Where's your target, Bailey? You still in the trade? What's gold doing? Gold is retracing a bit. Yes. Oh, you said the London Open, didn't you? Roughly about here, what, the 616 mark? Front run a bit, goes 15 or 14. First target, nice. Pushing further up. That was a nice retracement. Bounce off that fair value gap. Nice. Well done, Bailey. I like to see my viewers win. Building a winning culture here. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see the trend line. What's gold doing? Is gold dropping down? No, we do New York as well. Um, yeah, we've only just started streaming. This is only our third week. Rob and I. Rob's feeling a bit crook this week, so he's taken the London session off. It was with me. We were on last night during New York, both of us. Um, yeah, we need some Aussie streamers. Yeah, it's all right now because it's 11:30 the Open. It's hard when the daylight saving doesn't work well. Yeah, yeah. Um, yeah, when the New York Open is at 1:30 a.m., it's a bit tough. But you got to do what you got to do, you know. Pushing past the nine. Did that cross over? No, it didn't. Both 9 and the 21. 9 EMA being the yellow line. Yeah, it's yeah. I tend to have a little break between London and New York, a couple of hours. London, I usually we only stream for a couple of hours, if that. London session, New York, too late for me. Yeah, I actually prefer New York session. I like how it moves quick because, like I said before, I'm a degenerate. That's how we trade the EQ. No, I actually do. I think London's a lot safer to trade. That's for sure. I like London session. I haven't really paid much attention to the Asian market because traditionally it obviously doesn't move that much. I get frustrated when it doesn't move. I get all antsy and I'll take a trade out because it hasn't moved quickly. And then it ends up going the direction I had the trade in anyway. Pushing back down now. Let's see if it breaks this low now and continues going down. Do do you watch Spotter or Bailey? Any footy? What code are you into? Bouncing off that 9 EMA now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I do a lot of that too. Rob is different. Rob has got nerve. He holds onto trades and makes the most out of them. Yeah, it just could be a bit more accumulation sort of phase, uh, but then push further up. We'll see. Um, where, what time frame are you looking at, Bailey? No, this is a 1 minute time frame. The VWAP. Oh, you're on ES. Oh, shit. Forgot. Yeah, 1 and 5. Yeah, yeah. That's a VWAP's a long way away. You're not an anchored VWAP, are you? Mm, mm, yeah, our VWAP's a lot so high for ES and NQ. You can see on my chart that white line is the VWAP, same on ES. This one's, yeah, 10 points is good on ES. What's that, $500 on one mini? Yeah. There's a big pull of orders at the below the 6,000 mark. Yes, on the book map. Inches fairly dry. Um, gold pushing up as well. Whoa. Yeah. There's a bit of that happening last night too. Yeah, I always laugh at the word sporting, so that's the 12-year-old kid in me coming out. Are you the same age as us, Bailey? I'm in my 50s, mate. um, yeah, close enough. I'm 55. So the 9-year gap. Spoofing. Sprog. Remember the first Mad Max movie? Didn't he name his son Sprog? I couldn't believe they used that name. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's a yeah, but is it a? It also meant a human tadpole back in the day as well. No, no, you're good, buddy. Uh, it's all good. There's not many of us for now. Uh, Fuck me joined us yesterday. Um, a lady from Malaysia. Bailey's winning. I still haven't put another trade on yet. Hmm. Yeah. So this is the good thing about uh, having a good chat with you guys while price is doing not much, having a bit of a laugh while we're waiting, instead of watching this, which is like watching grass grow, I guess. Anyway, Bailey, you didn't. I don't know if you heard me or not. I was asking if you follow any sport, like any footy, or which code do you watch? AFL, League, Union. I put the last sort of 5 minutes of the State of Origin last night. I'm not a big league fan, but I always watch the State of Origin when I get a chance to. Oh, nice. Used to watch them. My favorite. Yeah. Uh, I'm not. Yeah, it happens. You get off it. You might get back on it after down the track. You never know. Some player might come along that you might hear about, and then you'll like, and all of a sudden you'll get interested again in either one of those codes. Mm. I've been the same as well. I've got off AFL and never really watched NRL, but being down here in Victoria, it's all AFL. And the last 20 plus years, nearly 30 years, I've been lucky following Geelong. We've been at the top for quite a while now. that's kept me interested in AFL. Who was your team when you were watching Brisbane? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, Brisbane shoot. Yeah. Oh mate, you talk about the that Brisbane team that won 3 flags in a row. Oh my god, what a team that was! Even as a Geelong supporter, even I was in awe of that team. That was something. Yeah, I watch MMA a bit too, but yeah, I get bored of that too sometimes. Um, what's the one? Used to ruck against Boss's brother in juniors. Oh, nice. Did you hear the story about Boss? Is Euphoria? What is that? Is that an MMA fighter? Euphoria? Book you? Is he a rugby player? Yeah, but I was gonna say, buddy, did you hear about the Voss incident where he tackled a thief or something not that long ago? Was it Voss? I think it was Voss. It was cool. Yeah, he's struggling a bit, Voss, at the Blues at the moment, the coach. Um, just to let you know, Bailey, the image you see of Rob, that's really Rob. We thought we'd just put a picture of Rob there so people know what he looks like. Handpicked by Book You. That's a brilliant representation of Rob. Thanks for joining us, Bailey. Really appreciate it. Yeah. You can always maybe join us later on tonight if you're still up. Go for it. Anyway, thanks for joining, buddy. Hmm. Yeah, no problem. Thanks, Bailey. Hmm. Going flat, not moving much. Oh, look at that. My chat's nice to each other. You guys are going to make me cry. Very proud of you. My viewers get along. Not like some other viewers from other channels. I'm definitely looking for a long here, I think, but nothing for now. Nothing yet. Gold is not doing anything either. Uh, and two sideways now. Gold just hovering around. Oh, it's just hovering over the VWAP now on gold. Pushing up a bit. Push up from the initial orb. Push down first, I should say. Hit one target. Oh, NQ pushing up. I had a feeling we're going to go up. Look after that fair value gap. I don't like that. What's bookmap showing? Orders down below. Just hovering around the 820s now. Not doing much. Even the EMAs are struggling to cross over. That's the 9. The green ones are 21. While they're underneath, they should be the other way around. But they're not. They don't want to cross over. They cross at each other. They're mad at each other. They don't want to touch. They had a fight. They had a fallout. My EMAs. They've had a fallout. Looks like they've had a fallout. They're at war. I'm gonna have to bring them together. I'm gonna have to call a truce. Thank you, Fuku. Good luck with work. Not sure what you did, but best have a great day. I don't think I'll be on that much longer anyway, so sort of dead a bit. So, but thanks for joining us. Thank you for subscribing. It's always a lot of fun to be around. Yeah, have a good day. Thank you, thank you. Still hovering around the 820 to 820s. Not doing much here. DMAs are straightening up, which means the market's pretty flat. Just in a range now. Maybe we've had the movement. Might not move for the next, who knows, hour or two. Still hovering around the 820s. Oh, dipping below the 820s now. Back into the mid-20s, late 20s. We'll go for a quick scalp here. As soon as I said that, they're watching. Oh, big jump, big dump now. This could be it. He's going to break through this. Pushing down, we'll break this. We'll move it back up. Oh, that move was a bit erratic, that move. Pushing back up into the 20s now, the 820s. Back to where it was all hovering. Pushing big push now. Going back to the upside. Mm, mm, mm. Gold's pushing up. Gold pushed up, retrace, push up, above the daily open now. Interesting. What's NQ doing? Pushed up. And back into the 20s. I've been saying the 20s for ages now. Bit of action. And a bit of action in the chat. More action in the chat than on the trading. Look at it. Just Bailey caught a nice long here on ES. 10 points. That was about it. Yeah. Oh, it's been sideways for a while now. Or at least half an hour. No. I was just telling people how my EMAs are fighting. They don't want to touch because, you know, the 9 EMA should be above the 21 EMA when it's under price. And they don't want to cross over. They're fighting. Yeah, just that one trade, the silver bullet, or sorry, the platinum bullet, which I lost. But I only had a couple of micros on it. It's only like $60. Nothing big. $68. It's not a bigly. Yeah, that's all right. That's you can recover from that. If you can't recover from $60, uh, sometimes that's a win. Finish up with $60 in the red. That's a win for the night. It's like, whew, I didn't blow the account tonight. I'm down $60. That's a win. Moving very sideways in the mid 20s again. I've been saying that for the last half an hour at least. We're in like the 824, 25 mark, between the 826 and 820. You could see it spurred up now. What, high 820s now? High 820s. If you break those tops, oh, just to say that. There you go. There you go. You're in a trade. I'm not in any trades. You son of a gun. Where's it going? Where are you going, buddy? 嗯 ugly movement here. This range. 820 still. Yeah. It did move in London. Oh, my EMAs have crossed over. I didn't notice that. You yellow. I'm not yellowing. Well, it won yesterday. Maybe I should. I need to find the right trade though. PAs. They're all PAs. I don't have any evals. I mean, I probably should, but I'm just going to concentrate on these. What have I got? 10, 11 PAs for now. Yes. I don't have any evals. Hovering in the A20s like it's never hovered before because it only knows the A20s at the moment. That's all it knows. Does it want to go above or below the A20s? But it will stay in the A20s. Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry, I'm getting close to not putting in overtime. It's just not moving. If it was moving, I wouldn't care. Still in the A20s. What's gold doing? What's lovely gold doing? Popped up with the retrace. So we bounce off that 90 EMA and straight back up. That's what gold's going to do. No. NQ will hover at the A20s. Like it, like it's 1999. Going back towards the opening range, 845, maybe. There's a bit of liquidity up here. Could definitely go for it. Definitely could go for this target, 840s. What is it? That 12, 13 point move. That's not that big of a move. But if I put a trade on here and it moves like this for the next half hour, it will absolutely do my head in. It's not good for my mental state. Not good at all. Maybe I should put one on and just sort of walk away. Let it do its thing. And give it the old, if she dies, she dies. when you do. That is correct. When you do, okay, it will only do, no, it will only go, did I say try and go up? Is that, pushing back down now, back into the mid 820s. What do you know? Let's see if it touches the EMA. Because the EMAs have made up. They were they were fighting for, for a couple of hours, about an hour and a half. They were at war. They touched, kissed, made up, crossed over. They flattened out and now they're sort of pointing upwards. Sort of got lost there. What do you reckon? It's not moving. ES isn't moving, very flat. Flat, flat as a tack, flat sack. EQ is not moving either. Yeah, that is true. Scared of you. Or you scared it. Oh, that would pop up a bit. Just as I was thinking of putting a trade on and I said that it's flat. It's watching me, man. They're watching us, Rob. They're watching us. They're listening to every word I say. They know. Look at this. Look at this shit. How does it go being doing this for fucking how long? And then big boner candle like that. Mm-hmm. Whoa. Pushing up now. We're in the 30s now. In the 830s. All that. Hasn't happened before. Well, it has, but go with me here. It hasn't happened before in about an hour. Pushing up. Those highs. Not that one. That's all he needs, maybe. Thanks, man. Yeah, finally got the approval this morning from Apex. So I can trade those two accounts again. They've adjusted the balance of those two accounts. You can do it. Oh man, it's just gotta get those other accounts up there. Maybe I need to yellow a few accounts. Get them up there. Oh, why am I getting a stuffy nose now? I've caught you cold, Rob. We'll both be down. All right, I might end it here. Let's chill for a little bit. Get ready for the New York session. So I'm going to call it a day for the London session. Thank you all for joining, watching us. We stream. Okay. Oh, thanks, mate. Yeah, stream every day, London and New York session. So if you get a chance, pop in, say hello. Thanks for joining us, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.